If you're new here, my name is Tamara Henderson, and today we are going to pack my baby hospital bag. Yes, so I organize everything on the bed over there, what I want inside the baby's bag. Uh, and I'm gonna go through them with you guys, and then we're gonna pack the bag together. Hopefully, this bag can fit everything that I have on the bed because I ordered a bag for her and Epsy, and for some reason, and for me also, and for some reason the order canceled, and I just don't know why. I keep having problem with that site to order stuff, so I decided not to purchase any bag for her and just use her diaper bag. So we're gonna pack that up today. I am currently 38 weeks pregnant, and I see the doctor today. I'm fine, she's fine. And I'm gonna see him next week, which I'm gonna be 39 weeks pregnant. And he was saying something about if when I come, if I want to, like, if I induce labor, we can talk about that. But I don't think I want to do that because that's like more painful and more pain and faster pain. My sister got it, they induce her labor, but I don't think I want to do that. I'm actually running out of breath. I'm sorry, guys. But anyways, let's go through all the stuff that I'm gonna bring in my house, in my baby hospital bag. If I am missing anything, guys, please comment down below and let me know what I'm missing. But those are the stuff that I have, so that I will be taking to the hospital. So let's go. Okay, guys, so let's go. So first I am gonna take her brush and comb, just in case. I don't know if she have any hair on her head, but if she has hair on her head, I'll be taking these to use on her. I'm also gonna take a pack of wipes and 3 newborn pampers. I'm gonna take these. I also taking one, two, 3 pairs of mitten, 3 pairs of white socks, and I got this on Amazon. This is a pacifier case, so I have a pacifier in here that I am gonna take, which they give you these, they give you these stuff at the hospital, but I just want to have my own. I wash them properly and I um sterilize them so they're well clean and nice, and I don't want to use the one in the hospital right away because I don't want to just stick things in her mouth that I'm not even sure if it's being sterilized. Then also I'm going to pack her night light, and also this is a night light and also some something, so play songs for like for her, smoothing song for her to go to sleep or whatever. I'm also bringing a bottle for her just in case. I don't know, I'm just bringing it because I'm going to be breastfeeding, but I still want to bring her her bottle. I also wash and sterilize this bottle also. Then over here we have products, her products. I'm bringing a body lotion, a diaper cream, a rash cream. I'm bringing her the gentle cleansing gel, hair and body, so I will wash her hair if she has hair and bathe her with this. And I'm bringing her a uh what powder. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I just want to have my own things just in case and stuff like that. Over here I have her outfits that I'm bringing. I'm bringing 2 onesie, which is white, and a monkey suit, which is pink, well, peach, with the hat, with the matching hat. I'm also bringing her coming home outfit, which is this. So it comes with a blanket or a receiver. This is a little pants, which is super cute. Look at her cute little pants. So that's that. It also came with the hat for it, but I'm not gonna let her wear the hat. I ordered a personalized hat with her name on it for her, but to wear with this outfit. And then this is the top, Hello World. This is the pin under that she's gonna wear to come home with the pants and then she has the matching blank towel or receiver, and then the hat that I'm gonna have to go with it. Also over here I'm gonna bring a swaddle wrap for her, and also a sleeper. This thing, wait, this is the, actually I need to change this. This is not the right swaddle wrap I want to bring. I'm going to bring her this sleeper, this thing right here. So it also, like, in her hand's gonna be covered. Just put it over it. And over here I'm gonna bring one burp cloth. I'm bringing 2 receiver blankets, these 2. I'm bringing a swaddle blanket. Here I'm gonna bring her I'm bringing 2 rags for her, washcloth. I'm bringing her some hats. I'm bringing this black one, this other black Mickey Mouse hat, and this white hat. So bringing her these, and these are gonna go with her onesie, which are these. So she's gonna put on her hat with her onesie thingy here, these. So I'm bringing 2 of these, and the 1 monkey suit for her to sleep in or something. Well, what is this, a monkey suit? That's what we call it, but yeah, this is it. Okay, so I went ahead and find the right swaddle wrap that I'm gonna bring with me for her, and this is it. Bring this one, so she can be well, so I can swaddle her up. This is it. Next thing I'm gonna bring for her is a blanket. So, like, it's a really nice blanket. If she, like, I don't know if I need it, but I just want to have it just in case, so keep her extra warm if she needs it. What I want to show you guys is her coming home outfit also came with this hat and this headband, so you can make a bow, but I'm not going to use these. I'm going to use the hat that I purchased with her name on it instead. So yeah. Over here is her diaper bag. I already showed you guys this diaper bag, so let's go ahead and pack her bag now. All right. Oh wow, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this diaper bag holds a whole lot, and I still have room which I want to put this blanket, but I'm not sure if this blanket is gonna fit, but let's see. But this bag holds a whole lot, and I try to be as neat as possible so everything is like stay fold and stay neat and stay uncrushed. So yeah, and then we have a change it pad thingy right here too. So Oh wow, Missy bag is all ready, well packed and ready. I can't believe this bag fit all this stuff though. Actually really nice. Oh my gosh, she's all ready. So now that I finished her bag, I am going to work on my bag. I already started packing my bag, but I haven't like put everything that's supposed to be in there in it as yet. But yeah, I'm going to sort that out and make a little video if I have time, so you guys can see what's in my hospital bag. So guys, there you have it. The baby hospital bag is well packed and ready. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to comment down below if I am missing out anything. I think I still have a little more room, can fit something else just in case I am missing anything. My doctor told me not to bring anything really because the hospital provides basically everything, but I still want to have my own stuff, so of course I'm gonna pack her bag. But if you guys think of anything that I should have and it's a must, please comment down below, let me know. But I'm a first time mom so I think I am doing the best I can at this point. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. I really hope this video was pretty helpful for any first time mom watching this video, or any mom overall watching this video. I hope it was informative and it helps out somebody. Okay guys, so bye guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye bye.